Good afternoon. Well, there's a dramatic change in the weather taking place at the moment. Already we've seen temperatures far higher than on recent days across the south, around 9 to 12 degrees. Further north, we've had some rather persistent cloud across northeast England, and that's pegged the temperatures back in Newcastle, for example, at only 5 degrees. And further north, temperatures around 4 to 6. But with those sort of temperatures, it means we are continuing to see the thaw of the snow across Scotland and northern England. The other change is that we're seeing the winds picking up. We haven't had strong winds for quite a while. They will touch gale force in the southwest this afternoon, with those strong winds picking up further north overnight and also tomorrow. Now, those winds are allowing the weather fronts to come in from a southwesterly direction, and they're going to continue coming in right the way through the rest of this week. So it does mean it will be a far more unsettled week with bands of rain or showers at times. At the moment, we've got some rain coming into the south of Ireland and into the southwest of England, and that rain by the end of the afternoon will be across, I think, perhaps towards Pembrokeshire and across the whole of southwest England and southern Ireland. Away from that, well, we've still got that cloud across the northeast of England. It should break up a little bit, I think, this afternoon to give some sunshine, but out to the west of Scotland, here too, some thicker cloud, just perhaps giving the odd spot of rain. So the best of the fine weather really is for central and eastern areas of England, and also for the north and east of Scotland. The temperatures we're seeing quite high already, around 10 to 12, I think, this afternoon, 5 to 8 or 9 in the north. As we head through tonight, that band of rain will continue to work its way northeastwards, so too the gale force winds, gusting perhaps to around 55 miles an hour. So it does mean, all in all, a very wet and mild night for many of us. Just the far northeast, perhaps seeing temperatures down to around 1 degree across parts of Scotland. Now, with that very mild air and with that heavy rain that we're going to see overnight, there is going to be a risk from tonight onwards of the risk of flooding, so we will keep you updated with that. For Wednesday, we start with that rain in the very far northeast of Scotland, and that will clear away during the morning. But then I think we will find that rain coming in again across many western areas during the day. Some of it could be on the heavy side. But for central and eastern areas of England, I think here it will stay generally dry, bright with some sunshine, and it will feel quite warm if you're out and about, temperature around 11 to 12 degrees. Into Thursday, it's the west that keeps the cloudier skies, so too for Friday. So the best of the weather looks like being in central and eastern areas. But for all of us, quite a change, certainly turning milder and more unsettled. Bye-bye.